Take a ride in the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.